Hola. Today we're going to talk about stem changing verbs. Now a stem changing verb is a verb that has a vowel in the stem that changes. To review, the stem is everything besides the last two letters. So this right here is the stem of this verb empezar. And what's going to happen is the E is going to change to an IE in some of the conjugations. Now, stem changing can occur in AR, ER, or IR verbs. So we're going to be using all three sets of endings. The boot is also a very helpful thing here. If you remember, we learned about the boot when we learned to conjugate IR verbs. And it's these or conjugations. So when you're conjugating in the yo form, the to form, the ele a usted, and the ellos, ellas, ustedes forms, that's when you're going to stem change. If you're conjugating in the nosotros or the vosotros forms, you will not stem change. The last thing to keep in mind is if you have an option of verbs or vowels, you need to stem change the appropriate vowel that is closest to the ending. So for empezar, we take a look at our stem. There are two E's in the verb empezar, and the stem changes in E to IE. So to choose between the two, we choose the one closest to the ending. So this E will change to an IE, and this E will always be an E. So that's the background information that you need. We're going to actually conjugate the verb empezar in the next video. Okay? Hasta luego!